To fix Prizepicks deposit not working, start by checking your account status and ensuring you have a verified account. Log into your Prizepicks account and navigate to the account settings to confirm your account is active and verified. If your account is not verified, follow the verification process to complete it. Next, check your payment method to ensure it is valid and accepted by Prizepicks. Make sure your credit or debit card is not expired and has sufficient funds. You can also try using a different payment method to see if the issue is specific to one card. Another step is to check for any technical issues with the Prizepicks website or mobile app. Try clearing your browser cache or restarting the app to see if this resolves the issue. You can also try using a different browser or device to deposit funds. If you are still experiencing issues, check the Prizepicks website for any maintenance or downtime notifications. Sometimes, the website may be experiencing technical difficulties, and deposits may not be working temporarily. Additionally, review the deposit limits and restrictions on your account to ensure you are not exceeding the daily or weekly limits. Prizepicks may have specific limits on deposits, and exceeding these limits can cause the deposit to fail. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, contact Prizepicks customer support for assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the issue and provide more detailed guidance on how to fix the deposit not working issue. Be prepared to provide your account information and details about the error message you are receiving to help the support team assist you more efficiently. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the issue with your Prizepicks deposit not working. Remember to always check your account status, payment method, and deposit limits to ensure a smooth deposit process.